Okay, I'm just going to do a pull-on to show the portafilter sneeze. So I use a B+ shower screen. Machine's up to pressure and temperature. Okay, start my time. Usually like to do about 30-second pre-infusion. Ignore my cat in the background. Actually, I'm going to flip that up. Okay. Now I like to grind rather fine to make ristrettos. So this is going to be a relatively slow pull. Liver's still going up. Liver's almost at top. Okay, liver is stopped, 51 seconds. About 22 and a third gram. Okay. So now this is what I mean by the portafilter sneeze. So you can see, I'll drink my espresso. Chocolate. It's still dripping even though the liver's on top because there's still residual pressure in the portafilter. Yummy. Okay, so we're at about 45 seconds after the liver's at top and we're still dripping a bit. I'll wait for 1 minute and then show you. Okay, at 1 minute. Alright, I really don't want to do this. Alright, let's hope I don't kill myself here. Portafilter sneeze. Alright, wasn't as bad as I expected. But that's what I'm talking about portafilter sneeze with this Faemina.